Standard configuration. After download C-Time Smart app, open the app, login. Choose Add a Devices, Switch, Smart Panel Switch. Please input Wi-Fi password. Next step. Restore the factory. Complete wiring and press the left button for 5 seconds until the Wi-Fi indicator blue lighting flash quickly. Confirm to start configuration. Blue light on. Configuration successfully. Press Finish. You will find the device in the list. Now press the name. Edit name to switch. Compatible configuration. When standard configuration fails, select Add AP mode. Blue light flash slowly. Then choose Next. According to reminder, connected Wi-Fi start with ST switch. iOS Wi-Fi icon appears on the upper left corner. Return to the app. Select the Wi-Fi. Input the password. Next. Wi-Fi blue lights on. According to the reminder, mobile phone connects to Wi-Fi. Return to the app. Devices already in the list. It means connect successfully. Control switch. Alexa, discovering the devices.
Starting discovery. This will take up to 20 seconds. If you haven't already, please enable the smart home skill for your smart device from the Alexa app.
Alexa, turn on switch.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off switch.
Okay.